Okay, here we are at the Spokane Train Show. I'm here before everyone gets here. I'm one of the vendors. So this is the door that you come in, and there's the tables and such, and then this is what you see when you first come in. There's some vendor booths there, and then there's a little wooden train set for the kids to play with. And then if you come in here and you go to the left, these are where all the main vendor booths are. And you can see there's lots of stuff to buy. People still getting set up for the train show.
River, you ready to go? We're the River City Modelers. We are a HO scale model railroad club. Our railroad is called the River City Western. It's in a room about 50 by 50. We've got about 1,100 linear feet of main line, and if you count up all the track, we've got about 3,000 feet of track. It's the club has 68 members right now. And we have operation sessions on the second and fourth Sundays of the month, and then we run 2 of these train shows, one in March and another one will be done in October.
Okay, so you guys are the sponsor of this train show?
We're the sponsor of it, yeah.
Okay.
So,
all right.
Yeah, we put this on. We also get some help from the NMRA 5th Division people. They also help us with this. And of course our club is 100% NMRA members, so we push that membership as an advantage to the club regarding things like insurance and the like.
Okay. And then you guys have the test track.
We bring the test track out for the train shows so that people can test what they buy before or after they buy it or before they buy it. A lot of the vendors will let you bring it over here and test it even before you take it out.
Yeah.
And then we have our own club cars, so we build these. We do these. These are fallen flag railroads that ran through Spokane at one time or another in the late 1800s for the most part. That no longer exist.
Oh, okay.
But we do the research and we mark them up, letter them, paint them to match what they did when they were actually running on a railroad. At one time, there was up to 14 different railroads running out of Spokane.
Oh, wow. And you also do the coffee too, then, right?
Oh, yeah, and we do that for the vendors. We start at 7 in the morning, so
yeah.
Everybody needs a little coffee and a little bit of sugar to keep going for the rest of the day.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
There's some more. My son called. And there's some more. All right, go ahead. Tell me what you got.
I am the archive. I'm a place where paper goes to be taken care of when their present owner is no longer able to. We are an archive, not a museum. We are looking for paper from the fallen flags that came into the Pacific Northwest. The GN, the NP, the SPNS, the Milwaukee, and yes, even the Union Pacific. All right, that's us.
Okay. And then here's their banner.
I have 3 more boxes of stuff, but I don't know what's all in it.
And the stuff on their table. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, go ahead.
If there's something that you want, go ahead and grab it.
It's a prevention or the preservation of the Great Northern Railroad, and it's all the history of what it was.
And I don't have to hold it.
Oh yeah.
Get one out here. Tells all about the Great Northern Railway Historical Society
Oh, okay.
and what have you.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Preserving the history of the Great Northern Railway Historical Society.
Okay. Great. Thank you. This is the before opening, when all the vendors go around to all the other vendors and make deals before the show opens. Yeah, I like that.
But that's what you throw, and most of the
Big O-scale booth.
$1 piece is all. I'm afraid that I'm kidding. You know. Start looking at something.
Sound drives card.
Yes.
Tells us the number of it.
This is Scotty. He's the president of the Evergreen Railroad Modelers Club. This is his Scotty from the Evergreen Model Railroaders Club here in Spokane. He's going to tell us about the club. Go ahead.
Hello. So we're part of the Evergreen Railroad Club. We have been in existence for just about 18 years. Started out in 2008, and the club has had to relocate here recently into a little bit bigger building. We're working on a brand new layout. It's a great time to be able to come down and enjoy it down in the Spokane Valley area. And we got about 60 members, a little more than 60 members, and they're all having fun working together on the railroad.
And you're family friendly. Kids can run trains too.
Yep, that's right.
Okay.
Family friendly. We have a program where you can be the sponsor of your child for a membership, and then they can come down and run the layout on the layout.
Right.
We're open for open house on Tuesdays from 1 to 6 and Thursdays from 1 to 9.
Okay, thank you. This is his booth. This is the Evergreen Railroad Modelers booth here. Lots of good stuff for sale here. And this is, these are really good. They hand out samples. They're really good peanuts. Really good nuts.
The kids? No, we go to a church in North Spokane. It's Recreation Fellowship.
Hey, John.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. You want to tell us about your club?
Tell you about our club. This is the Inland Northwest Garden Railroad Society, and we meet every third Saturday of the month during good weather, and we're all about garden railroading.
Yeah. And you have a little booth set up here so people can do some switching. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll be back.
What scale is this? Half HO. All right, I'll have to have a serious think on that.
Yeah, I only know 2 Alaska people, and we both already have it.
That's usually the case with Alaska people.
Well, they don't make a lot of stuff, so they all have it already.
All right, we'll probably be back for that.
Yeah, no worries. And it is numbered 29 of 65. So.
This is Gary from Valley Trains and Models.
Yes.
Train store. You want to tell us about your store?
I've been in business 8 years in the Spokane Valley, and moving to a new location later this month, so we'll hopefully get more product out for everybody to see. Have a little more selection. So.
Okay. Thank you, Gary.
Yep.
I'll be back.
Requirements of plastic wheels is 5. Yeah. And kids.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go to the other side where the layouts are. Oh, I forgot to go down this aisle here. Let's go down here. So here's a lot of M scale stuff.
I don't know. Just assume they do.
Back again. Okay, so now we're going back into the building now. This guy has some cool layouts you can.
Good morning this morning.
You want to tell us about what you got?
One,
You want to tell us about what you have?
I can't.
Yeah.
I'm almost totally deaf here.
Yeah, tell me about your trains.
This one,
Yeah.
well, I've had it for about 15 years. It took me 2 weeks to make it. And I'm looking to put another plastic cover on it. And you want it to run? Here.
That's great.
What? I know. I have it here on that on purpose, so I can get to it.
Let's see what else he has there.
That box here is filled HO. A lady brought it by my house. She was moving and said, "Here, get rid of it." So I want to get rid of it.
Okay.
And there's probably close to 300 pieces of track in there.
Oh, wow.
5 good switches and parts of they can be put together for some other switches.
Okay.
There's about a dozen cars and a couple of engines in there.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's
And,
engines
it
and
needs
stuff.
a new home,
Oh, yeah, there's...
and I want to get rid of it very badly.
Okay. All right.
And by the way, if you have a couple of kidneys laying around, let me know. I could use some.
Oh, okay.
Use some.
Okay, thank you. Here's Operation Lifesaver.
It's one of those things.
Want to tell us about your booth here?
It's Operation Lifesaver. We promote rail safety and awareness. Usually deal with talking to kids. Usually is a pretty good target audience, but high schoolers, or general public. Just to keep people off the tracks, right?
Yeah. All right, thank you. Here's some...
Hey, how you doing?
Here's the booth. This is all in where you come in at. These guys are here just about every train show.
Are you still kicking your idea around on that trolley?
Yeah, I'm still thinking about it. I'm still thinking about this trolley. I'll be back. And then this is where there's there's restrooms. And then later on there'll be this will be open usually, and there's food here. And so here's more booths. You want to tell us about the Railroad Museum?
We're located in Burien, Washington. We have 8 full-size cars that are on display, and we're one of the few museums in the country that allow you to go in all our cars. We have many artifacts from as far back as the 1890s, and we have a 2-foot gauge train ride that is available all the time.
Oh.
And we're always looking for people to come visit, and also volunteers to help with our museum.
Okay, thank you very much.
You bet.
You have You have quite the booth here. Thank you very much. Here's the Lego layout. There's a video on that. There's a video on that.
Yes, I don't know why my dad put a black.
Here's some more stuff.
I just don't know.
Here's that very nice 4x8 layout. Hey.
Good morning.
Morning. You want to tell me about your layout?
So we have HO layout and a narrow gauge end scale below, which is our mine, which has rubies and gold we use to afford this this layout. We have to mine there to do here. My grandson over here is now 13. He started building that 5 years ago.
Oh.
He put together with me all the plastic buildings, for example.
Oh, nice.
He did a lot of the decorating.
These, a medallion and a keychain.
Oh, nice. You
These are meant for
print them out yourself there?
yes, 3D printer.
And he printed out all of these. All of the things for the mine shaft.
Oh.
All of these pieces here, they're all individual.
Oh, okay.
And it goes all the way down.
Oh, yeah, I see.
And it has didn't motorize it yet, but it's on the path to motorize. And there's
Oh, I see.
there is the cart.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Very nice. Thank you.
Sure. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah. Hello. Looks like they're coffee vendors.
We sell coffee, and this is we're train enthusiasts. So our company is Daily Express Coffee Matters, and we get our coffee from Nayarit, Mexico. And it is a women's co-op, and we're very proud to be able to help women who can support themselves and their family, because we're a women's co-op also.
Smell that,
Easy
YouTubers.
navigated. There's the coffee. Smells so yummy.
Yeah, thank you.
It's very good. And we have several different roasts. We've got dark roast, which is called our hobo, which means nothing derogatory, traveling worker. There's a pig, used to build up steam. And then slow train is just our decaf. That's something we put up there.
Oh, okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah, we're also selling tallow.
Oh, okay.
Cooking tallow.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah. So these guys aren't open yet. There's a tail end.
connection stays that. Go down to the local. Have lunch. Very good.
We're shutting everything down, buddy. I'm sorry.
Okay, everybody, this is Dan from the Inland Washington Fremo. He's going to tell us about this modular HO scale layout.
It's the Fremo is a standard of the tables have to be single track or double track, and but the rails that meet the next module have to be in the center, whether it's double or single, and then between your endpoint on either end, you can do whatever you want in the middle, but they have to be at that point. And then there's a standard for wiring, and you've got to follow that standard. If you look it up on the internet, Fremo, HO Fremo, you'll see the what gauge wire you need and how you connect one module to the next, and then you can have your drawing and take it or go to individual meets, and they can put your module in with everybody else's. So one time you could be next to somebody from South Dakota, the next time you could be right next to somebody from California. And so that's the group that we belong to, and we're functioning here in Spokane, but we go to Chilliwack, we go to Calgary, we've been to Regina, BC, we've been to Evanston, Wyoming. I think there's been one in southern Idaho. We've gone a lot of places with it.
Okay, so if someone wanted to join you here in Spokane, what would they do?
Call River City Modelers, and they will get you in touch with somebody here in Spokane that has that. I mean, we don't really have a club or anything like that. It's just whoever happens to be around. If you call River City Modelers to get in touch with them, they'll get in contact with somebody that has a Fremo module that can point you to the right directions.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. Thank you very much.
You bet.
There's a tail end of the HO module layout.
6 or 7 feet away. There's a guy standing there like this.
Big O scale booth here.
That's what I was wondering. I'm like, why is he on the floor? This guy is.
I figured to sell it like this.
Oh, I don't think I went down that side. Let's go over there. Oh, he has a booth here. Here's part of the modular N scale layout. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
You want to tell me about your booth?
Railroad paper, travel brochures. Talks about all the areas and each of the railroads in the Northwest.
Oh, okay. Nice. They're still setting up on the other side there. There's his stuff. There's my son Micah.
Yeah, we'll be there. I like that show.
There's more booths. Oh, those are nice. And here's the N scale module. Then this guy sells these cars and stuff. That's pretty. He's here just about every train show. You want to tell me about your booth?
I got lots of die casts, all sorts of stuff.
Okay. He does. He has a lot of stuff. He's here every trade show. Okay. I think, and then you just go back out through there and you're back out. Let me see if I can find Lee. See if he can tell us about the N-scale modular layout. So Lee, he's kind of in charge of.
I'm the unofficial group leader of the Inland Northwest Fremo N. So I live in Post Falls, Idaho, and this group encompasses a lot of northern Idaho and eastern Washington. We've also got some guys here from Montana. We've got a couple guys from Portland area and one down here from Canada. So we've got 20 people that brought modules to this layout here. We're not an official group or club. We're just a loosely associated group of like-minded people that get together from time to time and set up a train layout. So this is all Fremo N. You can find the standard at fremon.net. It's all on there online. So I've been doing this for about probably 12 years now. And this is our largest layout by far. We've got 400 linear feet of modules set up today. We can run probably support 20 or 30 different trains running at a time on this layout. So hope you guys have enjoyed as John's taking you around the layout and showed you what's going on here. So thank you.
This is DCC?
Yeah, this is all DCC.
What does it matter what they use as far as DC?
Your decoder doesn't really matter. We're all running Digitrax here, but we've got it set up so you can run Wi-Fi as well, so your phone will work.
Okay. All right. Thanks a lot, Lee.
Yep. Thank you.
So it's just flying on top of the skills in front of my and I had a whole intermodal, cars, trains, all the way through it. It was nasty.
Oh.
Down there, this match, huh?
You finally found.
Oops, excuse me.
This would run like yeah, well, you want to have the joints to be at 90. You don't want to be in it. I'm the only one that's going to touch the power. Yeah. No. You get one put it before you go ahead and pull these.
Where are we going?
Doing it? I think these reefer units are giving too much drag. Oh, and I broke it. That's the end of my train right there? Yeah.
He's trying to get them all back to the corner they live in and get them back in their boxes. Nope.
Whether I did this side or not. Now we're back out here. This is a wooden train layout. You guys do the wooden train layout?
We're manning it.
Manning it?
We man it. We don't. The gentleman that did it, he's quite a little genius.
You want to tell us about your group?
We are the Hilliard Boy Scout troop in Spokane. We are 2242. So you know more.
We just come here to help out and help set up and take down and manage the trains.
Yeah, they've been helpful before in the past too. They help you set up your layout, your stuff. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys. Great.
Okay, this is a Lionel 2-rail O-gauge train. The engine was designed to run O-gauge, but they couldn't afford to buy 2-rail track, so they made it a 3-rail train. But it has pickups for the 2 rails.
Oh, okay.
And but I took out the center rail and rewired the engine, and now it runs on 2-rail train.
That's nice.
And I sell the whole thing for $35.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Not just the box.
I've sold 2 of them, and this is my last one.
Oh, okay. Comes with all this?
And I throw in the train set and anything else I can find that I want to get rid of.
Okay. Well, that might be gone before the show opens. We'll see.
Hopefully. We don't want to take much back home.
But for $35, somebody can buy for their little children.
Yes. That's great.
And not get robbed.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. And you have the Basquill Bridge?
That's very rare.
Yeah.
They're worth over $600. They made them just in 42 before March of 40. They had to shut down in February of 42.
Oh.
I don't want to get in your way. I'm going to bend down and look at this.
Okay. Micah pointed this out to me. I didn't see the G-scale layout they have here. Just a big circular track on the ground with the trains. Not running right now. I don't know where. I'll see if they start this up later and I'll come back. All right, here's the G-gauge trains running.
Good day. All right.
Well, I think that's going to conclude the Spokane Train Show of March 2026. It's a lot of video. It's a long video. I tried to fit everything in. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you get something out of it. The people there were great. It was a great show. The fellow with the little N scale layout that had, in the glass case, he actually sold everything on his table. And the one older gentleman with the 2-rail O scale, he still had that at the end of the show. I thought about buying it, but I have too many layouts right now. And yeah, so it's a great show. I hope there'll be another one in October in Spokane. So I hope to see people there, and I will try and put contact information for the clubs and all the stuff in the description. And if you don't see something, let me know so I can add it in. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you give me a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks, Rob.